Now, let me ask you probably the hardest question here. Um, OpenAI's mission is to build AGI,
Mm.
artificial general intelligence, so that machines can be at the cognitive level of humans, if not better. Do you think that's within reach? Like the breakthroughs recently mean that that's closer than people thought, or is this still, for the time being, science fiction?
So there's a huge amount of uncertainty here. And if you poll experts, you get a wide range of opinions. Even if you poll the people who are closest to it, so if you chat to folks at OpenAI or other companies, opinions differ. But I think compared to most people's perception in the public, people think it's plausible sooner than I think a lot of us thought. So there are prediction markets on this. Metaculus sort of polls people on how likely they think AGI will be, and I think the median estimate is something like 2040. And even if you think that that's plausible, that's remarkably soon for a technology that might upend almost all of society. What is very clear is that we are still going to see very dramatic improvements in the short term, and even before AGI, a lot of societal transformation, a lot of economic benefit, but also questions that we're going to have to wrestle with to make sure that this is a positive for society.